Hello, my dear students. Welcome back to Sri Hari Raghavendra Academy. Gnananandamayam Devam Nirmala Spatikakrutim Adharam Sarva Vidyanam Hayagrivam Upasmahe Namaste Sharada Devi Kashmira Puravasini Vidyarambham Karishyami Siddhir Bhavatu Me Sada. By taking the divine blessings of Hayagriva Swami and Saraswati Devi, let's start today's class. My dear students, if you have not subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe to the channel and hit the like button, which encourages me to do a lot of videos for your good sake. Guys, today I will be talking about the last few options in conditional formatting. So before to quickly revamp what we have done in the last classes, we have learned about how to highlight the cells using greater than, lesser than, between, equal to, and text that contains a value. Then we also learned about the data bar options which we can represent it for numerical values in terms of gradient fill, in terms of solid fill. Today I will be teaching you something called color scale options in conditional formatting. Now if you can just scroll the screen towards this color, you can read this color is a combination of green, yellow and red color. So what does green indicate? Green indicates an highest mark scored students color are being taken in green, mid highest is of green, yellow is of mid range and lowest is of red color. If I'm just clicking on this, the Excel will automatically allocate this color to this mark column row. These are called as three scale level colors. Why it is called as three scale colors? Because you have only three colors. We have in the first case we have green, yellow, red. Green ಅಂದ್ರೆ highest values. Highest values ಎಲ್ಲ green ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳುತ್ತೆ. Mid values ಎಲ್ಲ yellow ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳುತ್ತೆ. Lowest values ಎಲ್ಲ red ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಇದೆ, ಏನು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಕಲರ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಚೇಂಜ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರೆಡ್, ಯೆಲ್ಲೋ, ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ರೆಡ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೈಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ತಗೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಯೆಲ್ಲೋ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮಿಡ್ ರೇಂಜ್ ತಗೊಳುತ್ತೆ, ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಲೋಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ನ ತಗೊಳುತ್ತೆ. ಇವಾಗ ಅದೇ ತರ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಇದೆ, ಗ್ರೀನ್, ವೈಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ರೆಡ್. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೈಯೆಸ್ಟ್, ವೈಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮಿಡ್ ರೇಂಜ್, ರೆಡ್ ಇಸ್ ಲೋಯೆಸ್ಟ್. Three scale approach. Then we also have red, white and green color. Now coming back to the second row, we have again three color range which talks about blue, white and red. Blue, white and red ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ blue takes highest range, white is of mid range and red is of lowest range. Again, these are all very same color. In the third row, we have only two color scale which talks about only green and white color. Green is of highest and mid, white is of lowest. Again, this is all same thing. This is how you can make use of different color combinations in the color scales to represent the data. Now we will move on with icon sets. Say for example, if you want to represent it in some kind of icons like directions, or if you want to, show some kind of shapes for data, then if you want to use indicators, especially in the case of HR, if employee task has been done or not, if it is done, it should be in green mark, or if it is, mid-range, still it is in some kind of error or not, like that. Or if I can use this indicator, tick mark is someone who has got passed in exam, and exclamatory mark is average, and into mark is someone who has got failed in the exam. So I can use this kind of conditional form icon sets to represent it. And I can also use the flag. Someone who is in green flag is passed. Someone who is in yellow flag is in moderate or mid range. Someone who is in red flag, uh, has failed in the exam. Or I can also use the rating systems also, graphical representation also, or you have more rules. So in this class, I will be using this flag to represent the data. So I'll click on this. Then if I don't want this data to be displayed, guys, I want only the flags. What do? I can just go through this and I can select this. I can go to conditional formatting option, manage rule option, edit rule option. Here I have an option of show only icon, or else you can also check what is green value. Green value under someone who has got marks greater than 67. Okay, you have greater than 67 is shown in green. Okay, then greater than 67 but less than 33 is shown in yellow color. Someone who has got less than 33 is shown in the red flag. If you want these values to be taken from 70 also, it should be okay. Here you can see here, now in the edit tool, someone who has got greater than 70 is in green. Someone who has got less than 70 but greater than 33, you can just go with it, or else you can also make this as round figure to 30. Less than 70 but greater than 30, in between 70 to 30 and less than 30. Just apply for it and click on OK. Here you can see your the graph has been changed. And now if you want only the numbers to be displayed, again go your manage rule, edit rule, you have option of only show icon, only option, click on that, click on OK. Now see, instead of numbers there is only values. Now you can easily judge someone who has got past is in green color, and if you just click on the cells, those values will be reflected in the formula bar as well. Okay, this is one of the other way that how can you use this conditional formatting in the form of icon to represent the data. So I hope you enjoyed this class. So if you have liked this video, please do hit a like button and subscribe to the channel. Thank you, my dear students.